I'm here in Mount Vernon, New York. I have a two boiler and two water heater that we installed a couple of weeks ago, and we're gonna install the drip nipple for the relief valves and the backflow preventer. Also, we're gonna install a common terminal for the Wi-Fi thermostat. This is what we do. We install these two Warren McLean hot water boiler, and we take out two. I think the other two one was Warren McLean, so we take them out and we put in two new Warren McLean hot water boiler, and we also replace these two AO Cement hot water tank. Originally, before there was 40 gallon, and we made a mistake and put 50 gallon instead of 40 gallon. So that's on us. And we always put an expansion tank because this is a storage tank, a holding tank with the water. Yes, I know it's a water heater, but it's also stored the water. So yes, it says a hot water heater, and we also put a expansion tank. We was gonna put a check valves in it, but we have the issue with water leaking, and so therefore we couldn't get to cut this pipe, take this bar valves and put it up and put a check valves. It was really difficult. For some reason we couldn't find a shut off, and we have water constantly leaking. And here, same thing here. All right, so this job is pretty much finished with that.